Egg white and turmeric powder face mask. I need egg white. Egg white face mask helps clear dirt, grime, and blackheads from your skin. Three-spoon egg white. Turmeric. Add honey. Mix well. Turmeric adds antibacterial properties to get rid of acne and resultant marks, while the egg white acts as a binding anti-aging ingredient. Wash the skin well before applying the pack. Turmeric powder helps to regenerate, bring back bright, smooth skin, reduce acne, and fade scars, combined with the skincare effect of egg whites. Use this twice a week for best results.